Hi everyone, my name is Alan and today I'm going to build a tiny but very helpful chat assistant. The one that stays at the corner of the page showing some messages inviting the user to start a conversation. Our assistant will be built with pure HTML and CSS, which means we won't use any JavaScript, and it will be fully accessible and compliant with WCAG, so it will have tab navigation and visible focus. It will have all information accessible with both mouse and keyboard. It will have a minimal contrast for a AAA level criterion, and it will be fully compatible with screen readers. Our system will also be SEO friendly, so we will reach a score of 100 for SEO and accessibility, and it will show a different message on each page, so it will look a little dynamic, which is cool. So that's it. I will show you in my own website. I'm using the same one, so let's take a look.
Alan's her HTML CSS developer document. Skip to menu link, press enter. Skip to main content link, press enter. Skip to WCAG link, press enter. Skip to footer link, press enter. Hello. My name is Alan. How can I help you? Link, open Facebook's Messenger application. Skip to menu link, press enter. Landmark. Menu navigation, landmark. Menu list. Opens project overview page link. Project overview document. Skip to menu link, press enter. Opens helpful links page link. Helpful links document.
Hi again, thanks for watching. Remember, never let essential accessibility for later, and as always, let's code for everyone. Bye.